Hey everyone, this is going to be an unboxing video for my key, specifically for the iPhone, which means I'm recording with my Android so that I can get this all on tape. So you'll see when you first get the box, you can open it up here, take out the my key packaging. You can see it comes with the threader, and so I'm going to set this down so I can open the back. And so I took it out of the bag, and you can see it's got the findmykey.com. If I can focus this. Yep, findmykey.com is the address you can go to find these instructions and where the app's at and so on. You can see we gave you an attached threader, so you can attach to luggage, bags, anything else like that. So let me take the my key out of the package. Okay, so now it's out of the packaging. You can see if I want to turn it on, I can just hit the button, hold it down, and it'll beep to tell you that it's on. You can see the blue light here at the top. And you can see if you press the button, the blue light will also come on, and that means you're like triggering it if we're connected to a phone right now. Okay, and so now I'm in my iPhone, and I'm going to go to the App Store. I'm going to search for my key. Go for the second one here. You can see the app loads up right here, so I'll click to download it. If you haven't downloaded it before, it won't be a cloud icon, it'll be like an install icon. But then you just wait for it to install real quick, open it up. And you can see you're gonna get a whole bunch of notifications. You'll have to allow Bluetooth so that we can connect to it. We'll wanna use the location so we can find the GPS. And so I'll allow while using the app. And then we also want to see the notifications, so we'll allow that. Okay, and you can see that it automatically connected already to the My Key. And so I can just press Find My Key. You'll see it starts ringing, and then I can leave it ringing as long as I want, and I can tell it to stop ringing. Now, if it didn't connect to it on the first try, you can exit out of the app. And then come back over to it. And a lot of times it's because you had to allow Bluetooth first of all, turn it on or whatever, and so it wasn't able to connect right off the bat. But then you can just restart the app and it will reconnect just like that again. And you can see the connection changed. I can ring it again. And so this will help you find your keys if it's attached to a keychain. So let's say that you're done with it and you want to connect to a different one. You can unpair up here, and it'll bring you back to this holding screen. And it's set up so that it won't actually reconnect to the same one because that might be annoying. So you have to actually exit out of the app first and come back in. And see, now it will connect to the phone. I guess it takes longer after you've unpaired from it. There you go. See, it's finally connecting. Sorry, I guess it takes a long time after you've unpaired from it one time. But see, once I'm reconnected to it again, I can ring it again and stop ringing it. Okay, and you can see it loads the last location here on the screen. So if I were to leave here, go to my house, it's not connected anymore, it'll save that location so I know it's still in this one location. Now I'll just test out the ringing functionality. So I guess you'll probably leave your phone locked, right? And one of the key things here is it has to be running in the background for this to work. So I mean, I can even show that, right? If I open my phone again, I can have the app running, but you can actually leave it in the background. But you can't close out of it, right? It has to be running in the background for this to work. Then lock your phone, then come back over to the My Key, right? Go to the button, just click the button. And I don't know if you heard my phone like glitch there, but it's because it's ringing it now. And I guess my phone's on kind of a low level, but you can see it, even the IR is blinking up here to show you that it's ringing. So if I even press the volume up, then it gets louder, you know, as the alarm. And so to actually stop this alarm, we made it so that it won't stop on its own. You actually have to reopen your phone and then exit out of the app over here. And it'll stop. So once again, I can do that again. If I reopen the app, it'll auto connect. Let's see here. Okay, so it's connecting. Okay, minimize it, lock it, press the button. It starts ringing again, you see? And so, now I'll just do one last thing, which is connect to it, minimize it, and now I'm gonna leave my phone here, and I'm gonna take the my key and walk, you know, till it's out of range, right? So by now it's probably disconnected. We'll go even further just to make sure. Now come back in. So now it should be within range. Give it a second to connect to it. Then click it. You can see it, even though we disconnected and came back in, it still will be able to find it as long as the app's in the background. And that's the demo.